Hello everyone, welcome back to the series. I'm really happy to have you here. Today, we are going to practice something very important. Self-introduction in English. In real life, whether it is a conversation, an interview, or meeting someone new, introducing yourself clearly is very important. And the best way to learn this is through shadow practice. You will listen carefully and speak along with me in the same rhythm and flow. There is no pressure. Take your time. We will go step by step together. All right, let's begin. My name is Ishan. Try saying it with me. My name is Ishan. Now, once again, a little more naturally. My name is Ishan. Hello, I am Ishan. Say it gently. Hello, I am Ishan. Now say it in one smooth sentence. Hello, I am Ishan. I am from India. Let's say it together. I am from India. Once again. I am from India. I live in Bangalore. Try this with me. I live in Bangalore. Again, smoothly. I live in Bangalore. I am a student. Repeat slowly. I am a student. Now say it naturally. I am a student. I work as a software developer. Say it step by step. I work as a software developer. Once more. I work as a software developer. I have completed my graduation. Let's speak it calmly. I have completed my graduation. Again. I have completed my graduation. I am passionate about learning new skills. Try it with me. I am passionate about learning new skills. Again. I am passionate about learning new skills. I am a quick learner and a hard-working person. Say it step by step. I am a quick learner and a hard-working person. Once more. I am a quick learner and a hard-working person. My hobbies are reading books and watching videos. Repeat gently. My hobbies are reading books and watching videos. Again. My hobbies are reading books and watching videos. I like to improve my English every day. Try this with me. I like to improve my English every day. Again, smoothly. I like to improve my English every day. Now let's combine everything slowly and naturally. My name is Ishan. I am from India. I live in Bangalore. I am a student. I am passionate about learning new skills. My hobbies are reading books and watching videos. Thank you for listening. Now try to say it on your own at your own pace. Very good. You did really well today. Even if it felt a little slow. Pause. That is perfectly okay. This is how real learning happens. Step by step with patience. Come back and practice again, and you will feel more confident each time. If this session helped you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to RFQ Lab. Take care. Keep practicing. I will see you in the next session.